Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Mini Cooper S Countryman. This one is a silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a inline 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 189 horsepower. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 19-inch alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black leather interior, panorama sunroof, plenty of space in the back. Come around, we got our Cooper S Countryman badging in the rear. Opening up the tailgate. We've got a power tailgate, cargo cover, fold down rear seats, all season floor mats. Alongside, this one does come with a keyless entry. Harman Kardon sound system, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, touchscreen media display, dual climate controls, USB ports and auxiliary, automatic transmission, hard keys for a media display, emergency brake. This Countryman Cooper S has 33,980 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mini Cooper, check out feldmanimports.com.